Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Okay. Get this going. Go here. Yeah, that's okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to another stream. In today's stream, we're gonna continue the cold case from where we left off last time, meaning directly after I got 2 charges dismissed out of the many other charges. Um, we're gonna continue today with the new judge, the Honorable Judge Lucy. Prosecutor is Quizzle. The defendants are Andrew and Ashley Graves. And of course, the amazing, talented, humble um, defense lawyer Shahardel with the amazing monocle and the noble rank, because I'm a noble. Anyway, Luna. I hate DF sometimes. Luna underscore orbit. Here we go. Just getting on the plot, getting ready. I'm a bit deaf and real quick on the Discord to actually do that. I know this is video free, by the way. If you want, you should go watch the other 2 videos. I should mention that there is going to be a fully edited foam video of all of this combined, just to make this like a clean video that's gonna come out soon. That's gonna also include actual footage of what actually happened during the events of the game, basically. Like what my clients actually did. Yeah. Anyway, we can undeafen now. Okay. Prepared now. I did my intro for the stream and everything.
Okay.
Oh, hi, Lucy.
Hi. I finally got my computer back, so no
Oh,
slow laptop
yay.
and no Discord on my phone.
Oh,
Okay.
finally.
Yeah.
I actually noticed that. I just didn't say it for some reason. I noticed that you were just on your phone. I just never asked why.
Yeah, no, cause like I live in like university accommodation, and like since like my like first year's over, I have to like move all my stuff back home. So I don't have my computer for a bit.
Ah, I see. Fair enough. Well, we're gonna continue the trial today from where we left off last time, which was we were both the sides were done with the apartment complex, and then I'm gonna move on to the next part. Hopefully, Bram will show up. He's currently on idle. He told me he's gonna show up. I am live on YouTube right now. If he doesn't show up, I swear to God, I have to replace him.
Yeah, hopefully he shows up because I feel bad I couldn't do yesterday. But...
I mean, it's fine because, like, first of all, like, this is a mock trial. You're dealing with something IRL. I feel like you shouldn't feel bad about that. Second of all, he pretty much said, "Oh, I can do any day except Saturday, but like maybe something will come up, so I can. I don't know. I'll let you know." I'm like, "Can you let me know before?" He's like, "No, I pretty much cannot let you know beforehand at all." I'm like, not even, not even at all. What do you mean at all? You're telling me your life is completely, like completely sudden. There's no planning at all. It's like, yep,
Yeah,
that's
that's a
fine.
bit inconvenient.
He lives in the present for an organized man. Yeah. Is that right, Quiz? Can't even tell you. 5 minutes before. Oh, he's online on Discord. It's fine. It was so
Oh,
good.
okay.
It's so
That's good.
fine. So fine. Can't wait for this to go horribly.
I'm sure it won't go bad, or at least that bad.
Well, not for you. You're the judge. This can't go bad for you, but I'm the defense
Yeah,
lawyer, and I'm going up against Squizzled.
I'm just basically a spectator, low key.
Yeah, your job very much consists of I agree with this person. Actually I agree with this
Yeah,
person.
yeah, low key.
Oh, I got a ping. What is it? I'll be there in a sec. Heart. Perfect. My man. What's the my man emoji? Here it is. Oh, it's okay, Lucy. That's pretty much what all judges do anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to mention, you do get to decide the punishment for either for the defendants if I do lose.
Oh, okay.
So you get to
Is that
choose
like,
anything you want, really. It's supposed to be more on the goofy side since we can't really do like actual punishments. You know, so like
yeah.
go watch an episode of German Teletubbies.
Or low key, like, sentenced to watch the whole of One Piece?
Or do you really want Michelle to like never exist again? Really? Just never show up to sessions at all? I'm
No,
also
she actually just like she'd be too busy. Like that's
shut
the only
up.
thing she can do for like the next 5 years.
Yep. Breaks up any relationship she had, any chance to get a relationship, just go watch the entirety of One Piece.
No, did you see that they literally only just finished season 1? I was
Yep.
like, actually how? Actually how?
Yep.
It's crazy.
Insane. I'm assuming what Jello 2 meant is that he can show up. Did, mm, that you can't show up? Question mark? Also, I need to open chat on my phone because last time people did join the chat and talk to me for the entire stream, and I had no clue.
Damn, you're
That,
just
that was
ignoring them.
that was yep. That was awkward. The people are like asking, "Oh, what's the case? Who are the defendants?" And I'm just sitting there arguing the case without talking to them. So let's open up the chat this time. Also, we're 2 minutes away from when people are supposed to be here. This is D and D. Oh, this is D and D again. This is just every time I try to do
Yeah,
anything scheduled, people are like, "Oh, let me join the last second."
low
Every
key,
time.
sometimes I'm like that as well. But to be fair, I like always eat like just before
Oh,
D and
Bram, don't do
D.
this to me. Oh, what do you mean? Never mind, I'm good. Okay. You're putting me on an emotional roller coaster, Bram. I'm already streaming.
Sorry.
You can't do this to me. Oh, hold on.
No, I also go briefly very panicked, but no, I'm good.
Okay,
Hi.
okay.
Please tell me we can finish it here today.
Well, we can most likely finish at least one. We can most likely finish the next one because there's only two more left, right? There's only. Wait, let me mute stream real quick. So like this, because spoilers.
Fair.
Uh,
Fair.
Okay, guys, let's see. What minute is it? Minute 12:40. Let me mark this in my notes real quick so I know when we're actually starting then. Lucy, are you gonna join us?
Like on Minecraft.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like joining right now.
Okay. Same. It's 12:40. Start. Go. Okay. Michelle, are you gonna stay muted and join us or no?
I can't join you, but I'll send you said.
Okay, you can be on the call. It's fine. Okay, we have our amazing cat judge again.
Of course.
At least we have a judge. Hopefully, this one's not going to leave this time.
Hopefully this one will be impartial and not say, and I quote,
I
"Man,
was
you're
gonna say.
man, these guys are guilty as fuck," in the middle of court in front of everyone. That was
On the record, by the way.
that was great.
Like, you can have an opinion, but as a judge, you gotta keep that to yourself.
Axakip is not used to
Judge,
this time.
jury, and executioner. Like, Jesus Christ.
Axakip was not built for this. I thought he was gonna take this seriously. He said he will, and then he's like, "Man, I can't handle this." Okay.
Objection, the judge is a moron.
Okay.
I think the correct phrase would be, Your Honor, I'm going to request you recuse yourself due to extreme biases, but whatever.
Yep. Okay, so I don't think. Wait, there's someone online. Wait, is he actually on, or are we just having no one else in this courtroom, and people are gonna have to watch the stream? Find. He's not online. Okay. Well, in that case, I think we can begin. Is everyone okay with that?
Yeah.
Yes, let's just do this.
Okay, let's get this over with then. My clients are 100% here. Okay, Quiz, can we stop parkour civilizing all over the court?
Also, Shahar, have you considered like getting like mobs disguised as players in the?
Yeah, I have actually. What I'm going to do is basically I'm gonna upload two versions of this one. There's gonna be the stream version, which is this.
Like the unedited.
Yeah, I'll completely unedited. And then what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna use a mod called Flashback, and just make basically use this courtroom and place a bunch of NPCs here, place a bunch of stuff, and I'm just gonna overlay the voice audio from the original streams with the footage from the court.
Are you also gonna put me in actual police skin and the judge in an actual judge skin?
Most likely I will do that, but most likely for the judge skin, I will just take that skin and give it judge robes. It's just gonna be a cat in judge robes and say.
Yes, agreed.
Absolutely, and for you, it's just gonna be your skin, just with a police officer, or just just in a nice suit. Since you're technically not an officer, you're more a detective, so you're not really.
Oh yeah, true.
You're not really needed to dress in
Also.
Yeah.
Do when the judge swap, do the judge recuse themselves due to bias? So here's the new one. Explain that away.
Yeah, I will probably explain it that way to recuse due to bias. Yeah.
Either that, or you got arrested for God knows what. But
That's
you got arrested for taking bribe. No.
He got arrested for playing Angry Birds during trial.
I don't think you would get arrested for that, though.
Probably not.
You would get arrested for that, though, Quizzled, if that were true.
Okay,
and this case would be DOA.
Yeah, I blamed him by saying I bet he can't beat my high score. Yeah, okay. Let's actually get this. Oh shit, something fell. Let's actually get this started then, cause Ram has, and we do need to get this. Quiz. I said the TTS bot. I don't know if I managed to make it work or not.
Quiz Goodman said A.
Great. Okay, it does work. Perfect then. Quiz. You may begin now.
Bram Van Zype said B.
Sorry, I had to.
Where were we? Directly after the apartment stuff. So that stuff. Like to question my witness. Where's the TTS, please? I beg you. Open it on your phone or something, please.
Quiz Goodman said I'd like to question my witness, Detective Samuel.
Okay, I'm fresh.
Are you
Oh, I am.
okay.
Okay. I was pressing shift. It was not doing the thing.
Samuel.
Yeah.
Area. That you'll tell that's Quiz's stand.
Okay. Right. Oh, I think we both messed that up.
It's okay.
Detective Samuel, please tell us about the body found in the park, and how it's connected to this case.
All right. First of all, the body itself was identified as Rob Watkins. Per the medical reports which were made available to, cause of death was GSW's 6 to be exact. One thing of notice that stood out to me in that report was
Excuse me. Could you please specify what GSWs are?
gunshot wounds. My apologies.
Thank you. I just wanted to specify that for everybody who doesn't understand that. Thank you.
Right. One thing that came out of the report that I do find of note is that some of these shots seem to have been fired while the victim was already dead on the ground, based on where the bullets ended up, trajectory, all that. Another thing of note, why it connects to this specific case, is the presence of one of the defendants, Ashley Graves, having her fingerprints found on the body. Furthermore, ballistics managed to match the bullets that were used to kill this victim to the gun that was both stolen from a warden and found on Ashley during the arrest. Furthermore, both defendants, being Ashley and Andrew Graves, were spotted in a motel near the crime scene, but then leaving a few days. No, correction, they were there for a few days and they left during the day the body was discovered.
Quiz Goodman said Q:, so the murder weapon in this case was a gun stolen from the apartment complex and found on the defendants during their arrest?
That is correct.
Did the defendants admit to killing this man?
Yes, that is also correct. One thing of note about that confession was that the person whose prints were found on the body and the person whose was found in possession of the weapon was Ashley. However, Andrew was reportedly the one who took his life, which is inconsistent or at least unusual given the remaining facts available.
Quiz Goodman said, which one admitted to the murder?
Technically, it would be defendant Andrew Graves' lawyer. However, at the end of this questioning, I did ask the defendant directly if there were any statements made that were wrong, incomplete, or otherwise imply things that were untrue. And the defendant personally confirmed that everything said by the attorney was correct.
All right, that's all.
All right.
Hello, detective. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'd like to ask you a few questions about the scene, if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
Thank you. Detective, did I tell you, and my clients confirm, that the victim in this case, Rob Watkins, was it? I'm asking.
That is
Yeah.
correct. That
Didn't
was the
they
victim.
didn't they tell you that he tried breaking into the motel room and chased them before this encounter?
That is also correct.
Thank you. Isn't it true that you found a gun and knife on the victim, Rob Watkins?
That is correct.
Was this gun or knife any had any fingerprints of my clients as any sign that they were planned?
I did explore that avenue, though it did not result in any indication that that was the case.
Detective, could you maybe tell me what he was wearing?
I do not exactly recall. Would you
I
mind
keep
if
in mind
I
here.
double check the records?
Oh, yeah, you of course you can go check that real quick.
Thank you. All right, per the crime scene photo, the victim in this case was wearing sunglasses, leather gloves, as well as a hoodie.
I see. Thank you. Um, now,
Quiz Goodman said, can we show that on the screen?
we do have a picture of the victim. Yes, we can show it on screen. I just have to go find the picture and then go into build mode to transport it. Hold. Park. Here it is. Wait, why am I getting DM'd on? Makes you incompetent. Sorry. I thought I'd written it down somewhere. Apparently I didn't.
You did not.
I know. I checked afterwards. Ken.
That's a little late.
No, Detective. Ma! One sec, sorry. Apologies.
Quiz Goodman said, how do you plead to this answer?
What?
I'm back, sorry.
Ma.
Um, no. Detective, um, didn't my clients claim that he was attempting to kill them?
You claimed it on their behalf.
Oh, thank you. Another thing. You said that they shot him after he was already on the ground, correct?
That is correct,
Couldn't
and
that be
that
a
was
sign
not
of
only determined, but that was also confirmed by an admission.
right? Couldn't that be a sign of panic?
Argumentative.
I'm asking the detective for his opinion. Couldn't, in fact, the shooting someone constantly after he was already on the ground be a sign of panic for the first time of attempting to shoot a weapon? It's not an argument. I'm just asking the detective on his opinion on the matter.
The objection's overruled.
All right.
Detective?
Could be a sign of panic, yes. Is it a justification for the actions? No comment.
Thank you. Detective, to move on to a different thing. When you arrested my clients, you found them in possession of the victim's car, correct?
That is correct.
In this car, there was a letter. I'm now going to show it to the court. Okay?
Okay. Is there a question in there?
Oh, yes. I just want you to confirm that this is the letter.
Then I'll need to
Yeah,
see the letter to
yeah,
confirm.
it's 5 pictures, so it's gonna take a while to show all of them. Please hold, guys. Yeah. this one, this one. Okay. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was gonna do. This is incredibly professional. Anyone who says otherwise is clearly don't know what they're doing. Okay, that's one. That's two.
I think there's only 4, so this is exactly
Yeah,
convenient.
3. And this is 4. Detective, can you please confirm that this is the letter you found in the car?
I can confirm, yes.
Could you read this letter out loud for the court, please?
Anyone in specific or any specific order?
Let's start with that one, the one I'm pointing at first, up there.
All right. That letter reads, Dear Mr. Washing Machine, consider this a receipt for your cleaning services.
The one below it now.
We're extremely grateful that you've agreed to clean our laundry for us.
The next one, please, the one on top.
And we're so confident in your services that we will not be needing any progress reports. In fact, please do not contact us. If anyone were to ask, the less we know, the better.
Now, detective, seeing the circumstances where he was found wearing sunglasses, a hoodie, leather gloves, was seemed to be killed around nighttime, and well, had a gun and knife on him. What do you think this letter exactly means? If you could please speculate.
Based on the context, primarily the sunglasses at night would be a way to try to mask or at least partially conceal identity without drawing too much attention to it.
Mm-hmm.
And as for the context of the letter, cleaning could could hypothetically and has historically been used in criminal matters to refer to taking care of people that pose an issue to some sort of illegal activity, as opposed to laundry.
I see. Now, furthermore, to prove that this clearly wasn't talking about laundry, if it was laundry, wouldn't he need to contact them to know when it was done? Just theoretically speaking, just to make sure that you can't just claim it was actually laundry. I mean, logically speaking, right?
Within reasonable circumstances, yes.
Thank you, detective. Nothing further, Your Honor.
Is Quiz going to redirect or?
Yes, that is.
Nothing.
It's probably time
Quiz
for
Goodman said I'd like to re-examine the witness.
So that's called redirect. Wait.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, right. Was there anything to show that the motel room was broken into? Like fingerprints or anything stolen?
There was not, no.
Detective Samuel, the defense said that the victim Rob was chasing them and claiming that they tried killing them, but where did you find both his weapons?
I found them on his person. Which means
Quiz Goodman said the defense said that shooting someone after he was already on the ground was a sign of them being scarred, and shooting a gun for the first time. But couldn't it be a sign of someone being petty or psychopathic?
That is another explanation, yes. Alternatively, it could be a sign of panicking to make sure the victim in a crime is dead and wasting more bullets than needed due to a lack of experience in using a firearm to murder someone.
It would be logical to determine any intentions.
I would agree.
And detective, the letter that was found in the victim's car. There is no way to confirm that the letter meant kill the defendants, is there?
There is not. It could be referring to any number of people. And even just not the people in general, it could be about something else entirely, even if not about items of clothing.
Quiz Goodman said, and we do not know who the letter is addressed to. The victim may just have received it accidentally.
That is also a possibility. This thing is... Oh. Okay, right.
That will be all.
Thank you.
I think that's it for this one. I think we're gonna now move on to arrest scene then. Is everybody okay with moving on to the arrest scene immediately?
Yeah, sure.
Okay then. Quiz, you may call Bram to the stand again, and we will finish up with.
All right.
We will finish up with arrest scene and then your case, and we will move on
Quiz
to.
Goodman said, calling Bram Van to the stand.
Oh, Detective Samuel David, but yes, close enough.
Yeah, sure. Okay, right. Nice fourth
You
wall
called
break
him
there,
Bram Sob.
Nice attorney work there, Mr. Fourth wall breaker. Whatever.
I blame
Oh,
Shah.
you... Fair enough. Also, Shah, you broke the screen, TM. That is destruction of the government property.
I don't exist here actually. See, I'm like over here. I don't know how would I teleport from there to over here. This is clearly conspiracy theories. I was right there taking
Objection,
the
Witnesses
no.
getting visions from witnessing such horrible events.
What? Why would you try to okay, whatever. Why would you try to discredit? Okay. You know what? No, carry on. Actual... Begin actual
Quiz
stuff.
Goodman said, all right.
Okay, let's get to the actual questioning part now.
Yes, please.
Detective Samuel, please tell us about the scene in which you found the defendants.
Objection, Your Honor. I do not feel like that scene should be described in this court. All it will do is ruin my client's good name, as the charge is dismissed against two people there, and what the devil is found in that crime scene is irrelevant to what is actually needed for this case. I'm willing for the detective to describe what was found on the person and in the victims in the first in the second, sorry, in Rob's car, but I do not feel like the arrest scene should be described, as it is discriminatory and will do nothing but ruin my client's good name, as any charges or evidence brought from that crime scene is irrelevant.
Okay. Objection is sustained.
You should probably let Quiz argue first.
Okay.
That would
That's
help.
a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Quiz Goodman said, could there not be any other evidence other than this, which may point to drop charges? Like why they were in the area, and where it is.
Your Honor, if we may, real quick, talk next to the witness stand.
Sure. You want to approach, I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
is what that's
yeah,
called.
yeah.
Okay. Should I
Quiz.
scoot out of here during
Yeah,
that, or?
yeah. You should probably just real quick. Quiz, come here. We're gonna talk real quick. Shishu with Lucy. That's stream doesn't get to hear this because nobody they wouldn't either. Anyway,
Okay, me back to stand.
Yeah, you go back to the stand. We're now just waiting for the judge to get your decision.
Okay, I believe that your objection should be sustained.
Okay. Sorry.
Quiz Goodman said, unfortunately I cannot describe these events due to the judge's decision.
Hold.
Mentioned that as my argument against the objection. But you argued against it.
Well, Quiz, I mentioned
Quiz
again.
objection has
It's been thrown
yes.
out.
Again, Quiz, you can technically still describe the scene as long as you ignore those two components. That's all I'm asking, and that's what the judge agreed to.
Quiz Goodman said, Detective Samuel, was there a nail gun found on the defendants?
There was a nail gun found in the possession of defendant Andrew Graves.
Is it possible that this nail gun was linked to their escape from the apartment?
Given the fact that the carpet used to escape was nailed down, it is, yes.
Quiz Goodman said, is it true that Andrew has admitted to cleaning the cleaver used to kill the first warden?
That is correct, yes.
And is it also true that the defendants have stated that this cleaver was used to kill the 302 women, done by the warden?
Objection, Your Honor. The defendants have never stated that, and even if they did, he can't ask that question unless it's been stated on the record, which I can say for a fact it hasn't. But we can confirm that after medical records and police analysis of the cleaver, it was in fact used to kill the lady from 302.
Quiz Goodman said, I believe you stated that your defendants stated it in the last session of this trial.
My defendants never said that. My defendants said that they found the warden with the cleaver, and the cleaver had some blood on it. Is what I believe my clients have stated.
In this case, why would have the defendants have cleaned the cleaver, despite the fact they admitted to killing the warden? Wouldn't this only hurt their case, making it impossible to determine who killed the 302 women?
I could not know for certain their motivations in that regard, nor do I have enough grounds and information to speculate reasonably.
Quiz Goodman said, was this cleaver found on the defendants?
It was. To be specific, in the possession of Andrew Graves.
Did you also find a gun on the possession of Ashley Graves that matched the missing warden's gun?
As previously established, yes, and this is also the weapon that was used in the killing of Rob.
Quiz Goodman said, could you describe what was said in the interrogation of the defendants?
There was a lot covered. Is there anything specific you would like me to cover? Because we've already covered some of it previously.
Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to be real quick. Can we continue this in like 2 seconds? Sorry. Apologies. Apologies. The stream got bugged and those like questions were not answered correctly on stream. Like the audio got corrupted or something. Can we get like a repeat on those two, please? If you don't
Oh my
mind.
god.
What do you want from me, Brom? Sucks ass.
Use OBS then.
It
That's
is.
what I want.
It's called Streamlabs OBS. What do you want from me?
Why use Streamlabs? Just use OBS directly.
I don't know. I like Streamlabs OBS. It works better for me.
Well, clearly not.
Fuck off.
Okay.
Yeah, just
Objection battery.
yeah, shut up. Okay, repeat on those questions. The objection is irrelevant since it was overruled
Objection asked and
anyway.
answered.
But it wasn't asked nor answered on
Quiz
stream.
Goodman said during the interrogation, did Andrew ever answer any of your questions, or what is his lawyer that answered everything?
The attorney answered all questions except the final question, which I asked the defendant directly, which was if any of what the lawyer said was incorrect or incomplete. But beyond that, no, the attorney answered everything on the behalf of the defendant, which was then confirmed by the defendant.
Did the defendant admit to stealing the gun from the second warden?
Through the previously mentioned of confirming the lawyer's testimony, they indirectly did admit to that, yes. Meaning the attorney admitted to it, and then the defendant confirmed that everything the attorney said was true.
Quiz Goodman said, did Ashley and Andrew ever call the police about anything in these events?
Not to my knowledge, no.
Did they inform anyone, including the lawyer, before the arrest?
I have no way to know.
That should be all.
Detective, couple of questions. The gun that my client admitted to stealing, did we provide a reason why my client took it?
You provided a reason, that is correct.
You mind telling the court the reason? I can send you the transcript of the interrogation if you don't have it on record.
I do have it in record.
Right. Could you tell us the reason?
If you'll give me 1 moment to...
It's fine. Take your time.
From what I know, they found him knocked out in the room and took the firearm.
Right, but that's not what I asked. I asked if we provided a reason for that.
I'm actually not certain if you did. You provided a reason for the
What?
cleaver, which was the source of my confusion.
Oh, I see why. Okay, then.
You did not provide an explanation for taking the
apologies.
firearm.
Apologies. In that case, let's move on. Sorry. According to what you said, my client did not call the police or anyone for that matter. For anyone that matter after what they have done, correct?
Can you repeat the question? It cut out.
According to your knowledge, what you testified, my client didn't call police or anyone for that matter after what they have done, correct?
Okay, Shahar, you're cutting out with the exact same word. What?
Okay, wait.
Your client didn't what?
According to you, my client didn't call the police or anyone for that matter after the crimes they have allegedly committed, correct?
Incorrect. I testified that I personally was not aware of any calls made.
Which
That
is
does
what
not
I'm
mean that there were none.
Right. Didn't we provide a reason for that? And that one I'm pretty sure we did.
The reason for not contacting the authorities provided was that you were not certain if you could trust the authorities given you suspected their involvement with what you alleged to be the scam set up using the
Alleged? Do I need to show the? Do I need to prove the picture back under? Multiple documents documenting organ trafficking were found in the building where the defendants were. Multiple doors with marked blood types on them and crosses on them with people missing were found. Those people weren't even reported to be dead, detective, and you're saying that this alleged? Really?
It is the exact same scenario as with your defendants. They have not been proved guilty of anything in a court of law, to my knowledge. So until that changes, they are alleged. I do not wish to defame anyone by saying otherwise.
Right, because
If you were to ask me if I personally believe if it were a scam, that would be a separate question. But it has not been proven as such in a court of law.
Fair enough. Apologies for the question then. Now, let's see, one last thing. Is it true that the government directly worked with Toxic Soda, the company that imprisoned my clients in the apartment for 3 months?
From what I was indirectly told, yes.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Quiz, do you wish to re-examine? Or redirect?
Redirect.
Right.
Let's give him a sec to type a yes or no answer.
It's a deep question. The answer is important here, because if he doesn't redirect and he doesn't have any more witnesses, that's it. Prosecution rests. So it's, I mean,
Yeah, and then I'm free to go. I'm free.
until I have to call this a witness, but yeah.
Wait, what? Wasn't this it? Isn't this the last, like...
Well, this is the defense resting.
Quiz Goodman said no, you are my witness right now.
Yeah, but Chris, do you have any more questions to ask him, or is he free to go?
I think you are free.
Well then.
Okay, can I...
Yeah, you may leave now. You're free to go.
Yippee. Okay, bye.
Bye,
Thanks for
Bram.
having me and putting up with my unexpectedly not optimal scheduling.
Don't worry, Bram. You'll be back here when I call you as a witness. You're on my witness list. Don't worry.
Am I?
Not right now. Not today. Not today. Don't worry. It's way down. But you are on my witness list.
Okay, see y'all in another year or two then, when
See ya.
schedules align.
Okay then. Your Honor, if we may take a short recess, because there is a chance I can actually call my witnesses now. Also, by the way, Chris, can you say the prosecution rests?
The prosecution rests.
Okay then. If we may now take a short recess to call my witnesses when they arrive home, since they're currently not online. If that would be fine with if everybody here with scheduling. Quiz, Lucy, are you guys okay with staying awake a bit more?
Yeah, that's fine.
Quiz.
Quiz Goodman said, can we do this another session? It's been like an hour and a half, so.
Yeah, fair enough.
We
In that
don't
case,
know when they're gonna be back, or if.
Quiz's attention span is given up.
Ashley Graves said true.
yeah, it's fine. We can do this another day then. I'll tell my witness.
Also, can I just say, Lucy has already done a much better job of, like, being a judge.
Poor Axel kept getting
Quiz
bullied.
Goodman said yes.